So the reason why the box is so big is that you actually get a pair of pierogies with the purchase of these sunglasses. With your sunglasses, you get your guarantee as well as a note from the manufacturer. Normally, you would get a microfiber cloth. This time, they actually give you a microfiber cloth bag to store your glasses in. Now, as I mentioned before, these guys come with pierogies. So we have a leather patch in the middle, and then the body of the pierogies is actually made out of neoprene. So these guys were featured in the Spring Summer 2021 Runway show. They come in a couple different colors, but I really liked the red. And the fact that these come with pierogies is kind of a bonus. The temple design is so unique. I really love how they highlighted the Medusa head. So you can definitely see your eyes through these sunglasses, but it is a red lens that are non-polarized. Alright, so let's go over the measurements. We have a 60mm lens width, a 16mm nose bridge, and the temples measure out 145mm long. And this is what the glasses look like on me.